Hey, in this video we're building a workout planner screen using the Ionic Design Kit. It's a quick way to design something that looks good and works well. Let's get started. On the left, you'll see code snippets from the official Ionic docs. In the center, there's the layout we built using the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, the phone emulator shows the result in real time. Pause the video anytime if you want to take a closer look. If you need the code or step-by-step instructions, you'll find everything on our website. If you haven't used it before, the Ionic Design Kit is a UI toolkit built on the Ionic framework. Designers get pre-made components they can drop right into place. No need to recreate buttons or cards. And for developers, everything just works, straight out of the box. It cuts down dev time, simplifies collaboration, and keeps design and code in sync. For fitness apps, the workout planner screen is key. It lets users schedule workouts, track sets and reps, log time, and see their progress. A good design shows workouts by day or week, includes categories, completion checkmarks, and summary views to keep users motivated and on track. With the Ionic Design Kit, you're working with real components, lists, cards, progress bars, and more. You're not designing in theory. You're designing exactly what users will use. That means faster layout testing, cleaner handoffs, and a final screen that's structured, responsive, and ready to ship. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.